Hello, Kunan. Good afternoon. Hi. Hello, Kunan. Good
Hi,
afternoon.
teacher.
Wow, you woke up from your nap. Did you sleep well?
Rare.
That's nice, Kunan. Okay, so how are you? Are you still sleepy? Like sleepy? Like yeah. Like that. Are you sleepy?
Rare.
It's all right, but this time it is the time for our class. Okay, you won't be sleepy because we are going to have a test. Are you ready for this test, Kunan?
I'm ready.
Very good. Okay, so this is the final test for this unit. So let's check if you learned some vocabularies. Okay, what's this? Here it is, Kunan. You're going to look at the picture and say the word. Okay, look at this picture. So we have sad, cold,
Rare.
sick,
Four. Shirt.
excited, pilot, and doctor. Which one is missing? Oh, look, we have here. What's this? Hmm. All right. So look, we have sad, cold, sick, excited, pilot, and doctor. Now look at this one, Kunan. Who is this?
It's
Who is this?
doctor.
Is this a doctor?
Ah,
Try again.
police.
Very good, police officer. Okay. So, what happened? This is actually what's wrong. Okay, this is police officer Kunan. All right. Now let's look at this one. Oh, this is police officer. Now what about this one? This one.
Mm,
Who's this?
mm,
Who's this?
mm,
It is look,
mm.
we have police officer. Now what about number two? It's a firefighter.
Fire. Fire.
Okay, what about this one? Number three. Someone who drives the plane.
Yes.
Look, Kunan, let's take a look at this one. So this is, okay, look, we have sad, cold, sick,
Yes.
excited, pilot, and a doctor. Now
Doctor.
look at this one. Okay, we have police officer, a firefighter, and who is this?
Yes. Yes.
This is someone who flies the plane.
Is.
Is this a pilot or a doctor?
Yes.
This is someone who flies a plane. Who is this?
Đây là người lái máy bay. Đây là ai?
Who's this?
Yes,
This is,
it is.
you say pilot, pilot.
Correct.
Oh, here. Actually, today we are going to have the final test. All the things that you've learned from this unit will be test if you really learned something.
Thực Trên thực tế, hôm nay chúng ta sẽ có bài kiểm tra cuối kỳ. Tất cả những điều bạn đã học được từ bài học này sẽ được kiểm tra xem bạn có thực sự học được điều gì không.
Yes. Okay, so look, we have here police officer. Now, what about this one? Look, who's this?
It's soccer.
Yes, very good. You say soccer player. You say soccer player.
It's soccer player.
Very good. Okay, so you got 2 out of 4. Okay, so I'll give you 2 stars or 2 hearts. 1, 2. Okay, now what about this one, Kunan? Wow, so yummy. Okay, what food is it?
For snack.
Very good. Salad. Okay, now what about this one? What's that? It's a,
It's a
what's this? This is what we can buy from Jollibee.
Đây là những gì chúng ta có thể mua từ Jollibee.
What's this? You say spaghetti.
the spaghetti.
Very good. Okay, what about this one? This is another one from Jollibee. What's that? What's that? This is this is fries. Okay, what about this one? Is this a steak or some chicken? What's this, Kunan? You say steak. Okay, now one more time, Kunan. Okay, look and say
Snack.
salad. What's this? Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Very good.
Fish.
Fry.
Fry.
Nice. Steak.
Rice.
Very good, Kunan. Okay, so for that one, oh, you got 1, 2, then 3 stars. 3 hearts. Okay, what about this? Okay, it's about clothes. What is this?
Is station.
Yes, very good. We have t-shirt. Okay, now what about this one?
Is dress.
Dress, nice. Okay, what about here? What's this? What's this?
Is
Okay, let me put a choices in here. We have jean, no, trousers, socks, skirt, blouse, then shoes.
dress.
What's this?
Dress.
Very good. This is a skirt. Nice. How about number 4?
Is sock.
Try again.
Job.
Okay, you say trousers.
Flower.
Very good. How about number 5?
Is sock.
Very good, Kunan. Now, number 6. Number 6.
Is glove.
Yeah, shoes. Wow, very good because you got a perfect score. That is 6 out of 6. Nice. So for this one, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 heart. Okay. Now, what about this one, Kunan? Okay, so I'll give you some choices instead so that it's gonna be easy for you to remember the words, all right?
Tôi sẽ cung cấp cho bạn một số lựa chọn thay thế để bạn có thể dễ dàng nhớ các từ.
Okay, so look at this one. We have here cupboard, bookcase, table, bed, computer, sofa, then clock. Okay, so look at this one. What is this?
Is bed.
Very good. How about this one?
Is bookshop.
Yes, bookshelves. 3.
Is table.
Great job. 4.
Is sofa.
Nice. 5.
Is glove.
Wow. And last one.
Is computer.
Perfect. So that is 6 out of 6 again. Nice, Kunan. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 heart. Okay. Now this time, in part 2, I'm going to ask you a question. Then you look at the picture and base your answer on the picture. Okay?
Trong phần 2 tôi sẽ hỏi bạn một câu hỏi. Sau đó bạn hãy nhìn vào bức tranh và dựa vào bức tranh để trả lời nhé.
All right. Now look at this one, Kunan. Okay. Is she sick? Is she sick?
Cô ấy bị bệnh à?
Yes.
What will you say? Yes, she is. Okay, say, yes, she is.
Yes, she is.
Very good. Now, what about number 2? Is she thirsty? Is she thirsty? Is she thirsty?
Cô ấy khát à?
No, she isn't.
Very good. Now, what about the last picture? Is she tired? Is she tired?
No,
Có mệt không? Cô
no,
ấy
she
mệt không?
no. Uh, yes, she is.
Yes, she is. Very good. So that's 3 out of 3. So you have 1, 2, 3. Great. Now, what about this one, Kunan? Oh, look at the picture. Oh, what happened to this? All right. Now look at the picture and answer again. Look at them. Are they police officers? Are
Mm,
they police officers?
mm,
Họ có phải là cảnh
mm,
sát không?
no, no, they are.
Very good. Now look, where is the cook? Again, where is the cook?
Yes, 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 it is.
Đầu bếp ở đâu?
It
Is he in school, in the restaurant, or at home?
is.
Is he in the restaurant? Is he in the restaurant, at home, or at school?
At home.
Home. Listen.
Anh ấy đang ở nhà hàng hay ở trường?
Restaurant, school, or at home? You say he is in the restaurant. He is in the restaurant.
He isn't. The
Okay, you say restaurant. Restaurant.
restaurant.
Very good. All right. Now look, where are the teacher and the student? Where are the
And
teacher and the student?
student.
Where are they? Where are the teacher and the student?
Giáo viên và học sinh ở đâu?
Is so.
Yeah, so what will you say? They're at school.
They are school.
Yes, they're at school. Very good. Now, what about this? Are they firefighters? Yes or no?
They that are.
Very good. Okay. So you got 1, 2, and 3. So that's 3 stars for you. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now what about this one, Kunan? Let's take a look at this. Wait a minute, Kunan. Okay, so look, what is he wearing? What is he wearing?
When
Anh ấy đang
is
mặc gì?
is this t-shirt
Yes, he's wearing a yellow t-shirt. One more. He is
is
wearing a yellow
zero
t-shirt.
is zero t-shirt
Very good. What about her? What is she wearing?
he he is red
What is she wearing?
is red
Okay, say she is wearing a blue dress.
she wearing a blue dress
Very good, Kunan. Okay, now what about number 3? What does she want? What does she want?
Cô ấy muốn gì?
What does she
is
want?
is
Look, what is this?
is orange
Very good. Now, what does she want?
she what is orange
Very good. Okay, now what about this one, Kunan? Okay, does he have bananas? Does he have some bananas?
Anh ấy có chuối không?
no 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 she banana no
Okay, one more time. No, he
no he
doesn't.
doesn't banana
Okay, one more time.
no
No, he doesn't.
no he doesn't
Very good. Okay, so for this one, you got 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now, what about this one, Kunan? Look at them. Okay? Look at the picture. You listen to teacher and answer in a complete sentence.
Nhìn vào bức tranh, bạn lắng nghe giáo viên và trả lời bằng một câu hoàn chỉnh.
Okay. Look. What? Look at number 1. What is he doing?
he is doing is
What is he doing?
Anh ấy đang làm gì?
Need.
He is reading.
He is reading.
Very good. What about him? What is he doing? What is he doing?
He
He is he is what is he doing? He is
is
he is what do you call this?
do homework.
He is writing.
He is dry.
Writing. Very good. What about her? What is she doing?
Doing. She doing. Is.
Yeah, she's rowing. What about him? What is he doing?
Doing.
He is
He is.
what is he doing? He is
He is
talking.
talking. Mm.
Okay. Now what about number 5? What is he doing? La 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 A B C D. What's
Is
that?
singing. He is singing.
Very good. Singing. What about her? What is she doing? To. What's that?
Oh. Done.
She is,
Done.
you say, dancing. Dancing.
Done. Done.
One more time, Kunan. Dancing. Dancing.
Done. Dancing.
Very good. Now, what about her? What is she doing?
It.
What is-
It. It. Bears. Breakfast.
Say, she is
He eat breakfast.
eating breakfast.
He eat
You say
breakfast.
she is eating breakfast.
He eat breakfast.
Very good. What about him? What is he doing?
He. He is was.
He is drinking.
He. He is. He is
Drinking. What about her?
drinking.
What's that? She is.
She is best.
What's that? What is she doing? She is. She is. You say sleeping.
She is sleeping.
Very good. How about him? What is he doing?
He doing. He is flying.
Yes, he is flying. Very good. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, then 7. Okay, so that is 7 out of 10. Okay, so you have hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great. Now what about this one, Kunan? Look at the picture, listen, and answer in a complete sentence. All right. Now, look. When does Danny go to karate class? When does Danny go to karate class?
It is
When does
nine
Danny
or
go to karate class?
Khi nào Danny đi học karate?
Monday.
He goes to
It
karate class
is Monday.
on Monday. Very good. What about Julie? What does Julie do on Tuesday?
Is
What does Julie do on Tuesday?
today. It's today.
What does Julie do on Tuesday?
Julie làm gì vào thứ ba?
Is that is Daniel.
You say she goes to
He go to Daniel.
one more time. She goes to dance class on Tuesday. One more time, Kunan.
On
What
he
does Julie do on
go
Tuesday? She goes.
Daniel class on today.
Very good. How about Mike? When does Mike go to swimming class?
He go the he go to swim in class on Wednesday.
That's right. How about Jay? What does Jay do on Thursday?
He go to English class on Tuesday.
Very good. Thursday. What about Emma? What does she do on Friday?
She go to swim in class on Friday.
Amazing. What about Carla? What does she do on Saturday?
She go to dance class on Tuesday. Saturday.
Very good, Saturday. So that's perfect. That's 6 out of 6. So you have 6 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, you have so many hearts. Now I want you to look at this time. Okay. You look at the time, you listen to teacher, and answer in a complete sentence. Okay?
Thời gian bạn lắng nghe giáo viên và trả lời.
Oh, no, no.
Nhìn vào thời gian bạn lắng nghe giáo viên và trả lời bằng một câu hoàn chỉnh được không?
Now look at number 1. What time does he eat his breakfast? What time does he have breakfast?
Sweet, but he breakfast at 7 o'clock.
Very good. What about number 2? What time do they eat lunch? What time
Who
do they have lunch?
is lunch at 12 o'clock?
Okay, you say they eat lunch.
They eat lunch at 10 o'clock.
At 12 o'clock.
At 12 o'clock.
Okay, now what about her? What time does he have lunch? Oh, snack.
She
What
has
time does she eat
lunch.
snack?
She is snacks. Snack is 3:30.
Very good. Now, last one. What time do they have dinner?
They eat dinners at 7:15.
Very good, Kunan. Okay, so you got 4 out of 4 here. Great job. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Okay. So for today, Kunan, you did great in our test. However, we have to improve more in vocabulary because you can easily forget the words that we learned in the past units. So don't worry, I'll help you on that, okay?
Bạn đã làm rất tốt trong bài kiểm tra của chúng tôi, tuy nhiên chúng tôi phải cải thiện nhiều hơn về vốn từ vựng vì bạn có thể dễ dàng quên những từ mà chúng ta đã học trong các bài học trước. Vì vậy đừng lo lắng. Tôi sẽ giúp bạn điều đó nhé.
All right. So for tonight, for today, you got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 42 hearts. So thank you so much for joining our class, Kunan. Okay, so see you tomorrow. Bye-bye, Kunan.
Bye bye teacher.
Goodbye.